Introduce highlight features and summary overview of ACOOLOO car vacuum. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. ACOOLOO car vacuum highlight features or overview summary. ACOOLOO is a company focusing on creating the best car vacuum cleaner experience via constantly pursuing high quality and continuously innovation. We specialized in vacuum for more than 10 years and sold a huge number vacuum cleaner thought out the word. Our mission is to make your car cleaning task becoming easier and more convenient. Choose ACOOLOO vacuum, choose a cleaning life. Cordless and quick cleaning. This vacuum cleaner set equipped with 2000 mAh x 2 lithium battery, providing up to 30 minutes powerful suction during cleaning for messes around your home, car, and office. Full equipment for deep cleaning. The handled vacuum included 6-in-1 nozzles, hoses, 2 cracks, brush, 2 short nozzle. You can choose the different accessories when you need. Easy to cleaning. This vacuum for car adopt high-capacity dusty bin and high-quality HEPA filter. Suitable for wet and dry conditions. Dusty tank and filter can be washing by water directly after use. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.